Hello, I have here a Google Pixel 7 Pro. I'm going to do a camera glass replacement on this device and I will be using isopropyl alcohol 99%. Take a time to subscribe to the channel. I regularly make smartphone repair videos and you can see the camera is not working properly. And let's start with the removal of the broken camera glass. With the Google Pixel 7 Pro, using a heat gun to hit the camera glass does not work. I have tried that on my other videos for the Pixel 7 Pro. This is why I'm using alcohol. Alcohol is the best way to remove the broken glass on the Pixel 7 Pro. So here I'm simply submerging the blade inside the alcohol and then bring the blade near the camera glass. The alcohol is going to enter the camera glass and touch the double-sided tape that is below the camera glass. You can also put one finger inside the alcohol and rub the camera glass area that is broken. Doing it this way is much faster than using only the blade. The only risk with doing it this way is that the alcohol may spill on the other camera glass that is good. Currently, I'm inserting my flat metal tool under the camera glass area and you can see I can remove one piece of camera glass already.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
You can see I have removed all the broken camera glass that is on the back of this Pixel 7 Pro. Using alcohol is the best way to avoid having dust created by broken camera glass on the camera modules. Also, the double-sided tape that is on this Pixel 7 Pro is very different from the one that you used to know, and removing it can be a little bit difficult, but using alcohol also is going to work in the removal of the broken double-sided tape. Currently, I have only a small section of double-sided tape at the top of the middle camera and also between the cameras. And so just like that, I have removed almost everything and none of the double-sided tape is still sticking on the broken camera glass area. The camera bezel is free of the glass and the double-sided tape. I just need to blow some air on that area in order to push all the dust out of the camera glass area. You can try to create some air with your mouth, but it doesn't work really well. I have tried that before. Again, it is very critical to test the camera to make sure that everything is working properly before you start the installation of the new camera glass. Here is the new camera glass that I'm going to install on this Pixel 7 Pro. The blue plastic film is the one that you need to remove first. After you have removed that, you can install the camera glass. or you can also remove the white plastic film that is on the other side of the camera glass. Here's the camera glass of the Pixel 7 Pro. This one is for the two cameras that are on the left of the device. Before installation, make sure that you do not touch the inside of the camera glass to avoid having a camera that is not in focus and a camera that is seeing blurry every time. The installation is very easy. You simply need to align the camera glass with the camera bezel where it has to sit, and after that you align the camera glass again and you can start to press on the camera glass for it to stick on the camera bezel. So you need to keep applying some pressure on the camera glass. Make sure that you do not apply pressure directly where the camera module is. You can crack the camera glass in doing it that way. At least you will have to press extremely hard in order to break the camera glass. I have cleaned the camera glass and it is ready for the first test after the camera glass has been replaced. For the camera glass replacement of the other camera that is not in this video, click the video on the screen now. Subscribe, like and share the video. As you can see, the camera is working perfectly now. I do not have any white stuff on the top of the camera and it is clearly in focus. See you in the next video.